Oh, guys, let me tell you a story. I've been ranting for the first 30 minutes of the show, and on my platform that I'm using to stream, it said I was live. This has been horrible, horrible, horrible. And guess what? I was not live. Yes, yes, I was. Yeah, this was terrible. Just quickly confirm if we're live, then we'll go for the day trading show because wow, I went for a rant for nothing. Here we go. I'm so annoyed. I went for a rant for nothing. But anyway, I spoke about just let me go through it. I spoke about as much as there is bloodshed in the market, people started buying shares. I mean, the big banks bought gold, which is expected, but gold is net short. If we're to look at this, there is 11,000 contracts added, 22,000 contracts added, but if you do the calculation, you realize it's net short. Fun enough, they're really short gold. For me, I am gonna look into buying gold, okay? Given that it could be a retracement on the support, on the strong support to the upside. I'm so annoyed. Yo, guys, I'm so annoyed. Anyway, and as much as there is bloodshed and everyone is selling, we see now they've added 36,000 long contracts on S&P 500. So they are buying. Hence, I said I will be buying the stock market. Even though I didn't show you what I was talking about, but what I was talking about is this. Oh, they added 3,000. They added 36,000 long contracts on S&P 500, 8,000 on Nasdaq, which they are also net. It's 48, 48. They are really shorting Nasdaq, but for me, I am long Nasdaq, given that the big institution for the past week, they are longing, Nasdaq, and they short gold. This is CO2 data. But anyway, I went for a rant, wasted a lot of my time thinking. You guys can see what I was not live. I was not live. But anyway, let's get into it. I spoke about Pepco. I spoke about Pepco saying that Pepco, they last week announced that they have struck a 1.9 billion deal. If I'm mistaken, please correct me in the comment, with Legit. So I expected a good reaction for which I entered a trade. My first trade was here. So basically, I went long here. Stop loss was below. And the first low that it created was the reaction to a new deal. I don't know why it reacted bad. I thought the deal will increase revenue for Pepco, and because Pepco is doing so well, so you have good revenue, good profits, and I thought that deal will bring in so much positivity that we are getting something positive for gold. I mean for Pepco, but we tanked to the low, and Trump happened and everything, and we yeah, but anyway, last week has been my worst week ever. Look at this. I bought SA top 40, we just failed. Bought on support, we just failed lower. So right now, I might look into buying more of JSE top 40 on the support, but I am waiting outside. Today is trading at 2%, so it is gaining strength. So where I'm watching it closely, I'm watching closely around the 2MA average. If we start holding up like this and then we start pushing back to the upside, the correction was good. I am going to add a trade, but also I have a trade on Harmony Gold. So I've bought Harmony Gold, it's up 2.5%. So here's my trade on Harmony Gold. I did buy it. I love that Harmony Gold has been benefiting so much from the gold upside, the uncertainties in the market. There's too much demand for gold, and Harmony Gold mine. It's they are mining gold as one of the minerals that they mine, and it's been benefiting from that. So I decided to go long on it, which I'm up about 3% on on this position that I have with Harmony Gold. Also, they will be paying dividends on the 14th of April, and right now on the 9th, it's ex-dividends date, and they've been doing extremely well. So I do not see any reason why the dividends wouldn't be paid. And I think we are expecting 2.2 Rand 27 for 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 Harmony Gold. I think that's what we are expecting. But let me stop ranting because we are late for the day trading show because of yeah, I was live guys ranting for almost 30 minutes, but I was not speaking to you guys. So that was one horrible thing that happened right now. And again, another horrible thing it's about to happen. Right now. Okay, thank God I do have my charger here. Oh God, network problem. So pardon me. Here we go. Are we good? Yebu, huh? We're not. Should be. We should be charging. I think we are charging. Guys, if it shuts down, I'm sorry. I'm trying to charge my. Yeah, ne? Today I'll be lagging so much. But anyway, if you can hear my voice, I'm glad you can. But now, guys, let's move to the day trading. So I hope it will improve. Hope it's lagging like crazy. I wish I had a life like yesterday. But anyway, Harmonic Gold. But anyway, let's speak about DXY for now. DXY, it is still failing. So CPI is coming in. I'm expecting DXY to go lower. But remember, guys, I'm not sure. I'm not speaking of certainty. So this is are the predictions that I'm making based on the fundamentals ideas that I have, based on how I trade this market structure. So we are expecting for gold to still continue. I mean, for dollar to go lower. Hence, I am looking to buy USD JPY. I am looking to buy USD JPY. Yebu, I am looking to buy USD JPY. So I am looking for USD JPY to go short, taking out this 4-hour low and retest, and I'm gonna continue targeting the weekly low. That's the first target that I have for USD JPY. CPI, we are likely to go low, get lower inflation. And let's just quickly go through it. Just quickly with the for a fast of a lightning. Let's quickly. Yes, CPI. CPI at some point has been about 3% high, which was very problematic. The Fed's increased interest rate, we came down. Right now we are at 2.8%. They are forecasting at 2.6% for CPI on Thursday. And this it's funny because tariffs, without tariffs will be inflationary. But now, because there's so much tariffs and there is a trade war, so that brings in a total different ball game. We saw unemployment rate in the US increasing, for which it was another problem. Where is GDP? Yeah? No. Around GDP growth. GDP growth is good. I have no complaints. 2.4. Labor data is. I'm looking for an unemployment labor data. Oh, we. Anyway, not seeing it. Yeah, it is here. I know. Yeah, yeah. So the unemployment rate, it went up to 4.2%, and for the longest time it was 4.1%, and it was 4%. So now it's 4.2%, for which is not a problem. It's still stable, but ADP jobs opening is the most important one that I have to look at as well. There is about 7,500, I mean 7.5 jobs that I have opened. Not bad, not bad at all. That this was when we will be worried, but now it's within what is this? It's within. Look at that. The mean for this it's just about. It's below mean though. I would love them for it to be above mean, but now it's below mean. We saw a decrease, but it's below mean. It's fine for me even if it's below the average. That, but as long as it's still stable, it looks like it's still stable. As much as next CPI is lower, that will push the dollar lower, and maybe CPI will save Nasdaq, the US stocks, will save the world stocks because there was bloodshed in the market throughout the world. Let's see. I am not certain. I don't know. I'm just making guesses and predictions based on how I trade. So USDJPY, USDCHF, and I'm not gonna be holding so much of gold trades that I have in the portfolio because if gold continues to gain strength like it is now, it will be a problem because I will be shorting the dollar, I suppose. But I will buy one of this, the one that I will love more fundamentals, and buy gold, because gold, I'm looking to buy gold on this strong. I am looking to buy gold on the strong support, yeah, and then to push to the upside. Perhaps CPI will save the day. But anyway, guys, I went for a run. Let's go for the day trading show. I'm not gonna end this. Let's go for the day trading show. Let's hope any there was no move that left us. Let's hope. Oh god. So the first 15 minutes of the day trading show, it's up and down. This looks like there's equal highs. There is equal highs here, which I'm not the fan of equal highs, to be honest. It makes my blood boil. So we just take, did we take the daily high? Let's see. It created equal highs. It didn't take out the daily high. That's another problem for me. Oh, perfect. Okay. I think I might be bearish for the PM session. There is an SMT and between Nasdaq and S&P 500. S&P 500 took a daily high. Nasdaq failed to take the daily high. So there is a clear SMT here. So there is higher time frame SMT. And guys, please remember, none of this constitute as financial advice, guys. I am just a guy, just speaks his opinion. I'm far from being a financial guy. So please, guys, please, 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 do not take this as financial advice. Let's see what we have. So it created, in fact, this is like equal highs. This is equal highs. It's more like an SMT, but also, yeah, my problem is this equal highs up to the upside. But if we were to look at today's move, oh, pre-CPI, it makes sense. Why look at this, how small this AM session move is, and then from there we move to the lower side. We have taken Asia low and Asia Indian London high low as well. And where are we going for this PM session? Are we coming for this low? Let me see. We have no, we don't. I thought we have an SMT on the low side, but it doesn't look like it. I'm just looking for an SMT. We don't have. Okay, let's see. I don't like it. I don't like today price action, to be fair. So this is a 1 hour time frame. So the next 1 hour it's important. I think this is my gameplay. Yeah, if it happened, I might be better. So tell me your bias, guys, for this PM session. This 1 hour closes within the next 15 minutes. It will be possible to get a reaction then to continue to the lower side on the 1 hour time frame. That will be the first target if that happens. I That will be the first target if that happens. Because there is a fair value gap with a breaker. So the fair value gap with the breaker, it is likely to give us a reaction to the upside first, fail on this fair value gap, reaches the fair value gap, and we go lower. So will I trade the move to the fair value gap? It all depends, to be fair, to be honest. And 1 minute, there is an inversion fair value gap of the 1 hour with a fair value gap again. So it looks like I will be bearish for the PM session for now. I will be bearish for now. What did I do? Let me change the color and use a better color. A color that won't obstruct me as I move along. Just give it a bit of color, yeah. Ah, hmm. It would be nice to get the reaction on this 1 hour 1 hour fair value gap and look to go short, to be honest. I don't want to lie. I think for me, that's the best move I have for now. Also, US30 it's having the same reaction. So the reaction here is move up, react on this 1 hour fair value gap, fail on the 1 hour fair value gap. Do I want to take a move to the 1 hour fair value gap before I buy, before I sell because I'm ready for the PM session? I honestly don't know. Because it's not the ones that's 15 minutes fair value gap as it breaks below the Asia low. Yeah, which is failing as well. Let me see. Do I like this move? Let me see. I just want to see something. It is failing. Inversion now it's failing. Uh, that's US8. Let me look at Nasdaq as well. Do we have the same scenario? Nasdaq we don't. So the best bet is to enter a trade on the 1 hour fair value gap above. Do I get a move to the upside before I go short? I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. There is a market structure shift. There is a fair value gap here, but I don't want to trade something like that. It is going to push to the upside for now. There is that possibility. Here, that's a very critical move for me. 5 minutes fair value gap, 5 minutes FVG, it's holding. I think that's a very important move. So we open to the upside as well, and it held this 5 minutes fair value gap. And we are also below the Asia lunch hour range, if it's a range. But lunch hour did distribute to the lower side. So I'm looking for a distribution up and distribution back down. Should I enter a trade to the upside? Perhaps I'll be forcing it, but I'm still contemplating it. Where would be my target? That's another thing. Um, 1 hour time frame here, I don't like it. Yeah, there's no 1 hour entry. Nah, I'm gonna stay out here. There is a 5 minutes that is holding. So I think I'm gonna stay out and just watch until I see something happening. So I wish it can come back to this 1 hour range, this 1 hour fair value gap. It will have given me a very good trade. So for this PM session, to be honest, I am bearish. I am bearish. This is a nice hold. Would I want to take this trade though? No, no. I didn't want to take this trade. So the 1 hour it's closing now. Let's see. So this 1 hour is closing. So once it closes, meaning the range starts from here. the fair value gap, the 1 hour fair value gap with an inversion. So for me, I am bearish because you see there is an inversion here. This is where the inversion line is. Let me just mark it. So there is a 1H inversion FVG here. Um, we haven't retested that. We're just retesting the support to distribute short. So I am bearish to be honest. I am definitely bearish. Yeah, I am bearish. 1 minute towards the 1 hour time frame closure. While you're in that, do not forget to like and subscribe. The way it's holding. I'm just trying to do something while I'm waiting for the market to do what I want because the market is just doing its own thing. So I'm just quickly updating my stuff here. I'll be with you. Uh, yeah, nah. We're not distributing, we're just staying in one place. So the 1 hour is just closed. We're looking for a reaction to the upside just to retest, just to retest the 1 hour fair value gap that it left. And then I'm gonna look for the distribution to come lower. Um, I use fundamental and technical. Yeah. What did I do? And guys, today there is a CAF Champions League, there is a UEFA Champions League. My bet is on Nasdaq, not my bet, but I'm behind Mamelodi Sundowns, even though I don't know. Uh, yeah, no, it's not moving to the upside. Spotting. The thing is not pushing, Shem. There is a possible of a bullish move to the upside, to be fair, before it goes lower. So You just and today it's if you saw the move on the AM session, you only wanna trade the PM session pre CPI day. Perhaps tomorrow trade the post CPI in the evening, but now it's not good. Come on, man. So what's your bias, guys? Come, tell me your bias. And do not forget to like the live, guys, please. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Just tell me about your bias. I'll truly, truly appreciate it. I really appreciate it. And like, please, guys, while at it, yeah. This thing's consolidating. I just wanted to, yes, there's 5 minutes for really gap it's holding, but I just, to be fair, I just don't like taking it. As I said, my most premium place to take a trade right now, it is, it is this daily fair value gap here and to cause lot. And also, this is interesting. I just saw this. So this looks like what you call this? Is it total soup? Look at one, two, we close inside. Now we're creating a low, and then we're gonna start looking for a favor, look up to the upside. I don't wanna trade the total soup though, because total soup within the strong resistant area here, it will be risky. So for me, if I can clearly get something like this, I will take a trade. I'm bearish. So that's what I'm asking. What's your bias? Are you trading the PM session with? You see what I was avoiding? Get that. We even came back to the candlesticks that we wanted, but a lot is happening. So here, if this 5 minutes for value gap holds, we get we can get a move like this. And then you have this turning to resistance, turning to support. Perhaps one will say, why don't you take long here? I can't take long because it's close to my point of interest for me to go short. So I would have loved for the market to distribute higher before it starts pushing back to start pushing back lower. I just wanted a higher distribution, but I am not getting that. So my main target will be this low and this low. But pre-CPI, the market is moving very slow. So hey, what can I say? I don't like that the market is slow and consolidating. Because if you were to look at when we open the PM session, we open to the upside, the 1 hour close. So I just wanted another action at that area, taking out this high here and to go lower. So anyway, I have still my game plan, but you can go previous, just watch the previous one. So I just want to take out that high reaction here and start rejecting back lower. But if I'm not gonna get that, I don't think I'll trade today. And I have to be careful because it's pre-CPI. So pre-CPI tends to be crazy. Tends to be crazy. Let's see the dollar index here. Also, dollar it just distributed lower on the PM. Oh, it's consolidating. So for the dollar here, for the dollar index, to be fair, we had that also the 5 minutes fair value gap that was inverted, yeah. So you can't go long and go. So look at the dollar. Dollar looks like this is there is an invasion of this 5 minutes fair value gap. You want to distribute to the upside broken below, but there is a major obstacle, which is there's 5 minutes order block here. If we're to wait for that breakout on that 5 minutes order block to the upside on the dollar index, perhaps Nasdaq will start selling short. But remember, I want an up move before a short move. I don't know if it makes sense what I just said, but look here. By the way it looks like you can try to get a continuation. You can try get a continuation lower because look at this, and this is what I'm looking for, a continuation. Um, the AM session range on its own, it was about 298 bar, 21 bars with 298 pips. On the other side, um, the lunch hour range or the lunch hour trade, it's 400, which did way better than the AM session. And if we to look at the PM session range so far, it has moved about close to what the AM session is. So there's not so much happening to be honest. Pre-CPI day, guys, I gotta be careful. If I'm not careful, I might take unnecessary losses. So, but anyway, anyone who knows, do you know when the game is starting? The Sundowns game. Oh God, the market is so slow. And when the market is so slow, it becomes boring. Don't forget to like, guys, please, and subscribe. Just got somewhere. So I have a question. Would you take a trade if we break below this low? If we trade below this low, will you take a trade? Where maybe we have something like a trade below there. Will you take something like this? For me, I doubt. Though there will be an invasion of this 5 minutes value gap. Perhaps we will distribute lower because it will be a continuation, but I will take half of what I normally take, to be fair. Yeah, I'll take it on half of what I normally take my positions because my first target, the reason why I will take this, it's because there is a strong support resistance here that is holding on the 15 minutes time frame. Also, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, there's still the same thing. So if we get this 5 minutes invasion and the market structure makes sense, I am gonna definitely take it. And we distribute lower still and have this 5 minutes invasion, I am gonna definitely go short. But only if it does what I'm saying. Because if we're to look at it now, I'm not gonna take it as yet, but there is this 1 minute fair value gap here. So there is the first 1 minute fair value gap here. I might not use the 1 minute fair value gap to enter a trade, but I'm just marking that there is a bit of bearish momentum and distributing lower. So I'm just gonna wait for this 5 minutes closure and decide what to do. We have 2 minutes before the closure. And if we have a clear, look at this. If we'll have a clear invasion of this, perhaps I might look, um, perhaps I might look for a trade here at that 5 minutes fair value gap. Stop loss just above. My target will be this low. Oh, come on. My target will be this low. So 1 minute 30 seconds before the closure of this 5 minutes candle, which will have an invasion of this 5 minutes. And once we have the inversion, we are likely to distribute lower to this high. So I'm not going to enter in trade until this 1 minute closes. Though it's distributing nice to the lower side. 3 minutes, there is this fair value gap. So, hey man, not also bad to be fair. Okay, okay, we're about to get an invasion, yeah. Already, we have an invasion. So S&P 500 looks very sad, eh? Look at S&P 500, yeah. 5 minutes invasion, pure clean. On top of a 1 minute fair value gap. I think S&P 500 is more clean. So I might take the S&P 500. I will decide though. 30-second, the stop loss will be tied, eh? Yeah, I might look for something like this. I might look for this inversion. Break-even point will be this low. Let me think about it. This looks clean. Let's see this one, yeah. Is it Nasdaq? Let me see. I will decide which one I'm taking, but I'm thinking now. So there is also a 5 minute fair value gap. There is a 5 minute fair value gap there that I want to use to enter it. Oh, come on. Don't be too fast. I'm still thinking 5M FVG short. I'm still thinking, don't be too fast. Come on. Is it Nasdaq or S&P 500? Which one am I taking? Okay. Um, da, 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 da. S&P 500 looks clean, eh? Okay, I'm gonna add a limit, guys. So I am gonna add a limit. Hold on a bit. Let me see. S&P 500 or Nasdaq. Let me see something. That's my entropy there. Stop loss above. Yeah. Okay, I'm entered. Very aggressive though. I'm entered on S&P 500. A bit aggressive than I wanted, but I am entered. I'm just gonna put in my stop loss, my take profit. Oh, that was aggressive than I expected, eh? I don't like how aggressive I've entered. I am entered on S&P 500 on the 5 minutes fair value gap. We have a 5 minutes invasion fair value gap, and then here we have a 5 minute fair value gap that I've entered on, even though the price action is a bit aggressive, but I am entered. So let's watch and see. Ah, come on. I decided to take S&P 500, not Nasdaq. I don't know why, but I did it because it looks exactly the same. I don't know why, but I did it, guys. So, okay. I'm entered. Konje, where is this media source? I, uh, S&P 500. I've entered S&P 500 for the first time, eh? It's still pushing to the upside. I don't like that it's still pushing up. But kenile kenin, so they say. Just, oh, come on. Okay, it's about to hit my stop loss. Nah, fuck. No. It looked clean though. It looks sad. Did I force a trade? I don't know. But it looks sad. It's about to hit my stop loss now. Let's see. Yep. Also, Nasdaq is going there. The first 5 minutes closed now. I need to see a rejection. For me to survive on this trade, there has to be a rejection candle, and there's none. But still holding on this trade. How do I do this? Hmm. It's not doing what I want. There's a bit of rejection now that came through. Okay, I'm on this trade, guys. So I siyabheka. We don't judge, guys. We watch. Don't judge me for my trade. Yeah, ne? Don't judge me for my trade, guys, please. Just cry with me if you have to. Okay, I love the 5 minutes, the way it's reacting now. I love the rejection. So if it breaks below here, I might move to break even. Trade below this, might move to break even. Yeah, good rejection still. I love the rejection. Let me quickly call someone, guys, while watching this trade. Sorry guys, I was just checking with my wife. So we're still having a good reaction. I love the reaction. As I said, I love how the reaction right now. Um, yeah, I just want to see more bulls coming through. I just want to see if we get this invasion as well on this 1 minute time frame. Perhaps we could get more to the lower side. So the good rejection there. I just wanted to close bearish, and if we close bearish, then we will get what we've been looking for all along. And look at that. Come on, man. Just break below here. I did say if we break below here, I am gonna go break even. So there is a good reaction to go short. The next 5 minutes has offered there's open bearish. Um, there is definitely a good reaction to go short, to be fair. The bulls have come through. It looks like it wants to distribute lower. And I would love for it to distribute lower and lower and lower. I love the distribution lower, to be honest. Yeah. So break below the current low. I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. I don't want it to reject. I just want to, what I'm talking about is if you get something like this, I want to see something like this. So right now, I am on this trade. So I just want to see the 5 minutes coming lower, take out this high, close below, and we can continue distributing lower. I think that's what I'm looking for. Honestly, yeah. Come on. Continue with your distribution. Okay, the next 3 minutes has opened 2 minutes before 3 minutes before the next 5 minutes candle closure. Okay. 2 minutes, okay. Still good reaction. I can't complain. We're seeing a good reaction in that range. So I can move to stop loss and decide what next. But I love the reaction. Okay, good, still good reaction. Okay, this is what I want to see. I might move my stop loss to break even. Okay, when this close, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even and go. Uh, uh, yeah, I don't see the market rejecting and going back. I'm just gonna wait for this closure, 2 minutes before this closure. So honestly, if it reverses, oh wow. Okay, still looking good. Still looking good. Good move. Don't see reason coming back. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. I don't foresee it coming back. So my stop loss at break even. Okay, stop loss at break even. Yesterday I took a break even, and I hope today we'll reach take profit. So we have reached the first take profit that I was looking for. I hope we'll reach the low. So this is a 1 is to 1.5. Should I take profit? Mm, let me move to break even and just watch. Just move my stop loss to break even. So the only thing that ah just taken me out on that was supposed to be a break even. What the fuck happened? The fuck happened? I was still talking about taking profit, yeah. What the fuck? No. My stop loss was at break even, isn't it? The fuck? Yeah, it's more like a break even day to be fair, but that was a disgusting candle. Look at this candle. This was a disgusting candle. This was a disgusting candle. What happened? Is there news that I don't know of? Did I move my stop loss to break even? This was supposed to break even, isn't it? Yeah, very weird. I think I'm gonna call it a day, guys. This was this disgusting candle. Just out on break even. If I delayed a second, I'll have taken an honest, I will have taken a disgusting loss here. Shucks. Where is this BS coming from? Another break-even day? Yeah. And it must start rejecting and continue to my direction. That's what I hate. So yeah, I'm gonna just call it a day, guys. Fuck. Yeah. Who's speaking? Is there someone speaking, guys? Sorry for the language. Is there someone speaking? Who did I take this break-even? Oh, is there someone speaking? Let me see. Did I miss any fundamentals? Nah, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not gonna continue trading. No one. For me, see member daily speaks. But he can't be pushing the market like this. That was a disgusting candle. I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Yeah. Fortunately, another break-even day. Hmm. I got a 1.1 to 1.5. Decided not to take profit. Now I'm gonna call it a day. I'll end up chasing price, and that's not what I want because I'll end up chasing price, and I'm gonna call it a day. To be honest, because here you have an inversion here. Just want to show you how easy it is to not to end up taking trades that are not even part of your plan and decide to go short there. You could take that, but no. This thing did me dirty today. Look at that. It's killing, but I'm not going to take the trade. There is an invasion of the 1 minute. I just not going to take a trade. I am going to go sleep. Okay, guys. Oh, that was a disgusting candle. That was Nyonyising candle. So, yay. Trading is tough, guys. Trading is tough. So I'm gonna call it a day, ladies and gentlemen. We still gonna distribute lower, but I don't know what cost us. We're still gonna distribute lower. Back to the point where I was. Look at that, what I was talking about, that you will end up taking something like this. Now, this move is a break-even move. Ah, what a wow. What a wow. Try move to break even again and what? So, guys, I will call it a day. I will end up catching FOMO here because this will be a very genuine move. Look at this. Again, 1.1. Yeah. Ask me, why didn't you take a trade? I don't know. I just got a disgusting candle and I thought, I don't trust the distribution to the lower side. Hence, I didn't take this one. But anyway, another. I hate that yesterday I took a break even. Even today, I'm taking another break even. I really hate that. My problem was this 5 minutes candle. That was a disgusting 1 minute candle. That was honestly disgusting. I didn't see a need for the market coming back. I don't know what happened. So, but anyway, guys, thank you so much. This was another day of another break even. Very frustrating. So, have a great day, guys. I love you all. Peace. Oh, do not forget to like and subscribe and join me every single day between 7 p.m. and half past um, 7 p.m. South African time. I'll be trading the PM session. The market did me dirty. I'm done. Have a great day. Bye.